Welcome back, guys. This is our new renovation project. We are here in Jomtien, just 400 meters from the sea. And this is how the house looked before, and this is how the house looks now.
Before, this was the outside area of the house. Here was nothing. We extended the first and second floor and enlarged the house about 30%. So now we have the kitchen space over here with the stove, this time in the island, and a nice free-hanging hood on the top. Some nice working space behind. Over here is the seating area for the swimming pool, an exquisite dining table. And when we move here, we have the sofa with an almost 8-meter high TV wall. The floor we took out in order to have a nice gallery up there.
Here we have an exclusive pool table. To my right, there's a bedroom with a swimming pool entrance. Guess what? Before here there was a stairs to the second floor. We demolished it. We have a laundry room and a guest toilet instead. Here we have an open space window for the garden. Our new stairs are here with black forest stone and cool stone panels with LED lights.
So this room is the queen bedroom on the second floor. This is the first room. And there was nothing here before. So the full room that you guys see here is the extension of the old house. As you can see, we installed a nice upholstered background, a full built-in furniture, and we added also an extra balcony, which was not here before.
Here on the second floor we have this open gallery with a wonderful view to the swimming pool, a very exquisite chandelier. Straight forward we have the master bedroom. On the left here we have a double vanity, a double shower behind. The bed headboard is very special because we have this upholstering with this integrated LED. We have the king size bed, a glass wardrobe also with LED features, and from here, from the bed, you just have the best view with this wonderful sunset.
To the back side of the house, we have two bedrooms. Before there was nothing here, there was just the stairs. Then we have the front part of the bedroom with a pool view.
All around the house we have this very futuristic fence wall design with this integrated LED. Before here used to be a garden area, now we maximize the space and have a 9-meter long swimming pool with the sitting area over there and the jet system, which I can turn on right here.
This house turned out very well, 204 square meters. We built 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. Timo, you did a very good job, thank you. So guys, see you in the next video. We are coming back with a new video about 1 month. And subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you. Sawadee krap.